Ready to ditch overcrowded tourist spots? Meet Georgia, the underrated gem of 2025. From Tbilisi's striking architecture to the breathtaking Caucasus Mountains, this country redefines adventure. Imagine wandering cobblestone streets and sipping ancient Kvaivri wine. Yes, Georgia is the birthplace of winemaking. And guess what? It's super budget-friendly. Hidden gems like Svaneti, with its towering medieval watchtowers, and the serene Alazani Valley await discovery. It's a dream for foodies too. Every bite of khachapuri melts your soul. Georgia is also one of the safest destinations for solo travelers, with a warm and inclusive culture. Pro travel tip? Visit in late summer or early autumn for the perfect mix of weather and wine harvest festivals. Trust us, this place is pure magic. Pack your bags and raise your glass. Your next destination is calling. Where should we go next? Drop your dream spot below and hit subscribe for endless inspiration.